Hey friends, it's Lenny or 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. I want to show you something fairly basic, removing the dash faceplate. It'll be super easy. I can do it and you can do it too. As always, if you need any parts, you can check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay friends, so we're inside the vehicle. We have a clear view of our dash plate here. You can give it a little tug. The majority of it will break free, just like that, okay? But you'll notice as you get along to this side, seems like it's kind of stuck in there, isn't it? It's not that big of a deal. Just grab this, pull it out of here. You're gonna notice you have a Phillips head and a Phillips head. We'll remove those. One. Two. Both of those are the same. Put those where we can't lose them. Pull this right out of here. There's going to be a couple more screws up here. These ones are a little bit harder to get to, but can be done. Same as the others. There's one on this side, of course. Just gonna pull out this whole unit here. Our little cup holder tray. Awesome. All right, so now we're just gonna run our fingers along the side. Awesome. Pardon the noise. Get that out of the way. This should lift right up. Awesome. Just got a little bit of wiring here. Just disconnect that one. So now we'll just take this off. You just grab this little tab and this little tab. Come on, baby. I lift one, the other one goes under. Oh! Okay. And there's that. Awesome. Let's get this out of the way. All right, so it's time to get our faceplate on. I'm just gonna go right over here. Just bring it down. We'll rest it there for a second. Come right over here. We'll connect this in. It's very basic. You just line it up, give it a squeeze, it locks right in. We've got this one. Go right like that. That slides in, easy peasy. Take the faceplate. Carefully line it up with where it belongs. Looks pretty great. Give it a loving bonk. Love it. Let's get a couple screws in. We can move along. All right, so let's get this in here. Just gonna slide it in. Theoretically, it should want to just go in there. Two mounting screws. All right. Grab our. Some people call it an ashtray. It's more of a change tray for me, but everybody's got their thing. Awesome. All right, so we've got our cup holder. We've got the little tab right here. That tab has to go under this right here. So as you slide this in, you just pay attention to the bottom. That looks pretty good. Looks as though the screw holes are lined up. That's great. Oops, they were lined up. Try again. Started. Do this one over here. Both are started. Let's snug them up. Awesome.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.